Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in the kitchen I will be fixing up this juicy and delicious ribeye steak. If you've watched my last taco video, you would have heard me said that I love the way that meat was seasoned, and I would have tried the same marinade on some regular steaks. So today's that day. I will be trying that marinade on these ribeye steaks. I already washed them and pat them dry. I will be using some beef bouillon, onion powder, garlic powder. I have black pepper, also some taco seasoning. This is the kind that I used, some sazon, and some oil. Let's jump right in. So let's start by combining all of the seasonings, adding them to the oil. I will leave all the correct measurements that I use down in the description box, but you have to be mindful of the size of your steaks, and if they are smaller or bigger, you might need to use less or more. Now, when I say a teaspoon and a tablespoon, these are the actual spoons I'm using, not the spoons that you eat with. I know some people like to measure with the spoons that they eat with, but those are not the correct measurements. You have to use real measuring spoons. Next, you want to add the marinade to the steaks. Make sure they are nicely coated with that marinade. Massage it really well, and then we'll let it sit and marinate for about 30 minutes. In a preheated skillet, I did add about 2 tablespoons of oil, and now we'll go in with that steak. We'll allow them to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes per side. It's a thick steak, so you want to cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes. That will give you a perfect medium steak. If you want it well done, you will have to cook it a bit longer. Once they are nicely seared on one side, we'll give it a flip and allow it to cook evenly on the other side. Now, once they're cooked on both sides, then we will flip it to the sides, the actual sides of the steak, and you want to, just cook around there because you want them to be cooked evenly on all sides. Once it is done, we'll remove it and allow it to rest before slicing into it. You never want to cut into a steak right away. You want to let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let those juices redistribute back into that steak, and then we'll get ready to serve. And here you have it, the most flavorful, juicy, tender ribeye steak. I did serve it up with some Mexican rice and fresh stir-fried vegetables. And let me tell you, it was the best steak I've ever had. Trust me, and I had a lot of steaks. So this was so flavorful. That marinade was everything. And it was perfect, medium cooked on the inside. Look at it, guys. You didn't need no sauce or anything here. The steak was on point. I really do hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!